Loris is present Excore versus Whis. Who could be win in this fight or if battle? I'm sure Whis can beat Excore for 2 minutes in this fight because the power level of Whis 1,500 billion and Excore 2 billion power. I'm joking. He's 200,000 million. Pero sure, Whis can win his many tricks to beat Excore, and she's a god. And Pyrrhus is stronger than Excore, and Whis is stronger than Excore, and Pyrrhus is stronger than Excore. There is no chance to beat Excore in Whis. What if Whis kill Excore in 2 minutes? Because she's stronger than Super Saiyan God Goku, and Super Saiyan God Goku is stronger than Excore, and Excore is Super Saiyan 5, and Lord Bills in Super Saiyan God is stronger than Super Saiyan 4 and Super Saiyan 5. And what if Lord Pyrrhus versus Excore? I say to you, there is no chance to beat Excore, to beat Pyrrhus in Whis. Goodbye guys, this present. You agree to me? I'm to me. I am go to Whis. And Excore gonna lose. Goodbye guys, this vote who could be win, Whis or Excore. Go, bye guys. Excore, Louis, the biggest fight.